Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and of course, I'm using the 3M trend new card trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator. Okay, so this started an uptrend right from here, and of course, got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So that is why it has been playing around there for a while, trying to go back on downtrend, but it has not been able to break out below this support zone. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then definitely we should experience more selling opportunity right from there. But we need it to break out below this particular line, this particular horizontal line, the support region. Once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. I expect more of a selling opportunity because it is coming from a major resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This has been an uptrend for a while, okay? Even though it has gotten to this resistance, it has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend, but it is also finding it difficult to break out below this support region, okay? But I still expect more of a selling opportunity right from there, most especially once it breaks out below this particular support region, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should expect more of a selling opportunity, and it is selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Paynex 1200 started a downtrend right from here, so till it got to the support zone, had a pullback and came back down to this particular point. Okay, so it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it's going to buy, and of course it's going to be targeting this particular spot if it buys. Okay, so but for now it is still selling until it starts buying. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had been on downtrend for a while, got to the support zone, played around there for a while, was unable to break out below this support zone, but finally it broke out above this resistance zone, and it is buying at the moment. If it goes above this, then it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, it should be getting to this particular spot, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it should get to this particular point. Okay, so we expect more buying from there. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Let's move on. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. I actually analyzed this particular asset in the video I did this morning, and I told you guys in the Telegram channel to actually activate your trading activities using the analysis in the video. This started an uptrend right from this support region, and I told you that we've been able to confirm the uptrend and we've gotten buy signals, and of course you guys should go ahead and buy. It has gotten to the first TP, second TP, heading towards the third TP right now. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, so we still expect more of a buying opportunity than the selling opportunity. So you guys should watch out for that, okay, and take advantage of it. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.